I don't hate quality leads. Quality leads hate me. Yes, coaches and content creators, you are always telling quality leads, quality lead. Do you really think quality leads can solve your problem? A big no. So stop searching for quality lead. Instead, if you are a new coach, I will break down how you can start and take your coaching business from 1 lakh to 10 lakhs per month without even thinking of quality leads. So, 3 things to go from 1 lakh to 10 lakh in your coaching business. Number 1, do more paid webinars. Number 2, shoot more organic content. It will eventually boost your paid ads. Third, focus on getting more results for your existing students and get more testimonials from them. Now, I am Sagar Achra, founder of Funnels Traffic. We have spent more than 100 crores in ads in 3.5 years in info marketing space, and that's why I'm telling all these things. When a coach starts out, he doesn't think about quality lead. Instead, he should think about the business and doing more sales webinars. Okay, now why doing more paid webinars will actually work? So when you do more paid webinars and with large audience, there is always a few percentage of buyers. So without thinking of quality leads, 3 to 5% of buyers will always buy you, provided your offer is good, provided your product and support system is good. Now let's see, I have seen many new coaches doing webinars with 50 leads, 70 leads, and they tell that we are not getting sales. Now understand, if you just have 50 leads and as a new coach your conversion ratio is 2%, you will only get one sale, and that too not on the webinar. In fact, you can even get after the webinar. But for that, do you even have sales system? And when you don't get a sale, you are demotivated and we feel the leads are not quality. But it's our numbers. It's our way to see the coaching business is 100% wrong. It's not the lead, right? So as a coach, if you are starting out, start with paid ads, do at least 8 webinars in a month, and that to each webinar with 500 registration bare minimum. Okay. Now, second, how organic content can boost your paid advertising? Yes, absolutely. Majority of coaches do organic content with paid advertising, and you can actually fly when you do both. That's what our clients are doing. Many new coaches mistake of learning Facebook ad, technical stuff, doing technical stuff by themselves. Instead, the thing which is going to give them the sales, that is organic content, they are not doing it. Let me tell you one of example. One of our client was doing a webinar, and as soon as he started doing organic content, his sales increased and also his cost per lead decreased. Now, how this actually happened? Now you will get more audience to retarget. With organic content, you will get more audience to retarget. Your cost of leads will actually decrease because these audience is already nurtured, right? Now, a person who signs up, a person who sees your webinars regularly or sees your content regularly on social media will eventually buy very easily. Your sales jumps up. Plus, an authority is built. So that's the reason you get good sales when you start creating organic content along with your paid advertising. Okay, now our clients doing organic webinar, organic content with paid webinars are actually seeing 30% less CPL than coaches not doing organic webinar. So you have to start doing more organic content along with paid advertising. Now, third and the most important thing is testimonials. Yes, client will say you, I will only buy if you show me some testimonials, right? So this is it. You have to laugh like this. How to boost your sales with results and student testimonials. People want to see how others are experiencing, what others are telling about your product, about your service. That's where they make the buying decision. Also, there are many ways you can use your testimonials and results. Run testimonial retargeting ads. Again, your cost per lead can decrease. Show testimonial in the webinar to build trust. Again, your sales increases. Third, send results on emails and WhatsApp messages. Again, your sales increases. So same way, we at Funnels Traffic are helping coaches to reach 25 lakhs per month with not just paid advertisement, but with our backend frameworks, using these testimonials, using other stuff also. So I hope you loved the video. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.